Aztec Equipments Company Limited provides professional turnkey projects for steel-making enterprises since 2010. Relying on ABAX Steel advanced European fabrication technology and combining with customer-specific requirements, Aztec designs continuous casting rolling high-speed line and automatic control system for steel production. The main business focuses on the design and production of bloom, billet, beam blank, flat billet, round billet, and non-standard billet caster and spare parts. Aztec developed ultra-high-speed continuous casting mold, quality tracking system, safe liquid level detection, and full automatic control technology. Henan Kobax Equipments Company Limited is invested and established by Aztec in China. As manufacturing base of Aztec, Kobax has high-precision CNC machining process center and world-leading technology nickel-cobalt-chromium electroplating production line. About the copper mold tubes, all possible tapers are available: single, multi, parabolic, convex, diamold. Our taper design has been confirmed by numerous plant trials in which tubes with different tapers have been tested under equivalent conditions. Our production are exported to more than 30 countries and served in almost 120 steel plants in the world. From copper mold tube to continuous casting machine, from erection to hot test, Aztec and Kobax supply completed technical service and lifelong spare parts. Aztec has overseas after-sales service in Europe, Africa, South America, and Asia. We can offer worldwide machining guiding installation, commissioning, debugging, operation training, maintenance, and customized service. OEM and ODM are accepted.